Hey everyone, it's 8:26 p.m. on Friday, June 7th, 2024, and right here is what I believe to be a Litex Lexington series, manufactured circa 1985, and I've had this fan for about a year now, and I finally got around to filming it. So anyway, um, the blades on it are something I added because the ones that came with it were painted over with white, and it had the signature Litex ornate stenciling on it. And I do have a set of those blades that have the stenciling on it, but I decided not to use those right now. Maybe I will one of these days, but the plane looks just as good. And stand up on this ledge here, see there's a canopy. It's got some paint stains on it. Those should come right off their latex paint. And plus I have a spare canopy as well. See the top of the motor right there. I don't know if you can see the tag on it. Is it right there? Yep, there. Don't know how well you can read, but there is the tag. And it is manufactured by Airpool, as they manufactured the Litex ceiling fans, and they marketed their ceiling fans on different brands like Harbor Breeze, Palm Air. And speaking of Palm Air, this looks very identical to the ever popular Pacific Breeze, which was most commonly featured in antique brass. And they said it manufactured in white, almond, polished brass, and brown, but I have yet to see any of those in any of the aforementioned finishes, so other than antique brass. But and this is the signature Litex footprint vents. Look at that. Other side is plain. It's got the same kind of globe that comes with the Pacific Breeze. This is basically a sister fan to it, albeit with the footprint vents. And the Pacific Breeze, as a lot of you may know, they have the straight capsule shaped vents. But anyway, let's shed a little light on the situation here. There we go. I got this fan for free off Marketplace a year ago, as I was saying earlier, and drove a great distance to get it, and I was so happy to find something that's rare, and it's in decent shape. And let's rev the fan up, first on low. Got a nice low to it. Medium. Starting to feel a little breeze on the medium. And let's bump this thing up on high, which will be a tornado. This fan is really cranking out a lot of air on high. And these air-cooled Palm Air fans are very well known for that. This puts out almost as much air as an industrial fan would. And we'll do spin down. Yeah, the pull chains were something that I added if I didn't already establish that. It's more fun to include them in the videos. Makes it easier to demonstrate the fan. Cycle through the speeds. for those of you who know, I do have an abundance of the Palm Air Pacific breezes. I mean, they were like a dime a dozen in my area, and those were sold predominantly at A4 Lumber, maybe someplace else, but A4 Lumber is the only place I've known that's been known to have stocked them back in the day. I'd like to find another one of those and like a polished brass finish. That'd be awesome. But this is even better. It's got footprint vents. The bearings on this fan are super good. I mean, it's got a decent spin down time. I still love these top mount fans with the stationary housing on. I mean, some folks call them spinners. Well, technically they have spinner motors, but the housing does not rotate with the fan. I'd love to find one of these with a lower canopy and a upper canopy has a bell-shaped canopy that's a slide up. That'd be super awesome. It'd be like the Twiddlebug version of that, as I like to call the lower canopy fans, but that's another story. Okay. Fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.